The introduction of the book. Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee is a novel and fictional book. This book is full of courageous but depressing events. But shoot all the blue jays you want, but remember, it's a sin to kill a mockingbird. The main characters. Atticus Finch, stellar citizen, represented by a scout, and James Father, who is a strong attorney. I got mixed up. Attorney that is very determined to achieve justice. Next character is Scout Finch. Miss. What is that word saying? Mistress, daughter of Atticus. Son of Atticus. Arthur Bradley, better known as Boo, by Jim and Scout. He is a very withdrawn character, but in great need of attention. So.
What? Yeah. This is a great game. It worked. Hey, that's not mine don't work. Mine didn't work.
Here's the error. Description of the main character of Scout. Scout is a young, innocent girl with extremely good intention. Being from the South, you would think of Scout to be a crime and proper little girl, but usually no, she is a tomboy at heart. You quickly realize throughout this book that Scout is the thoughtful, courteous, confident. I got this. Confident individual, and that she is the way Father Atticus has raised her to be. Scout soon faces the evils of the racial world around her that develops her new perspective of life. Setting. Killing Mockingbird was based in a small town in Montgomery County, Alabama during the Great Depression, 1933 to 1935. Montgomery was old-fashioned with a small town government. The theme. The most important theme of this novel is how the book represents the good and the evil of the human being based off Jim and Scout's perspective that all people are good. Evil
Unexpectedly
occurs when people such as Tom Robinson and Boo Bradley are unprepared for the evil they encounter. Conclusion. This book has a lot of learning experiences learned by Scout and by the reader. For example, whether it is about people in the general, the choices Scout makes, or the good and the evil she encounters while growing older, she continues to develop for her in the correct of a child to a near grown up. That's my
Ben.
football.
Way to go.